Dear women, today I invite you to a gentle and healing practice gifted to us by Mother Gaia, the soul of the earth. Our planet is alive. She has a soul, a consciousness. Her name is Gaia or Gayatri. According to the Vedic tradition, every person has 7 mothers, and one of them is our earth. The earth is connected to our root chakra, Muladhara. This chakra is responsible for the very foundations of life, physical health, survival, and the sense of safety. When it is blocked, energy cannot flow freely. This may lead to stagnation, fear, or illness. Fears are often passed from mother to daughter. If a woman lives in constant fear, her daughter learns to live in fear as well. But today we have a chance to connect with another mother, with Mother Earth herself. She gives us life, and at the moment of departure, she gently receives our body back into herself. Today she becomes our mother, Mother Gaia, the one who gives life. Find a quiet place where no one will disturb you. It is best to lie down, cover yourself, and allow full relaxation. Turn off the light. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and a long, slow exhale. And again, inhale and soft exhale. Imagine Mother Gaia. Today, let her appear as a young woman of spring, with a wreath of flowers on her head, her face glowing with a smile. She radiates warmth, care, and life. Say to her in your heart, "Thank you, Mother Gaia. I welcome you." Bring your attention to the area of the coccyx, the lower pelvis, the place of the root chakra. Simply observe this space. Breathe into it. With every inhale, fill it with warmth. With every exhale, release the tension. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now imagine that in the center of your womb there is a gentle pink lotus. Look closely at this flower. Maybe it's still a bud. Maybe it has already bloomed. If it is a bud, simply watch it. With every breath in, it opens a little more and more and more. Take a breath in and see the petals unfolding. With the exhale, feel lightness. Inhale, the bud opens. Exhale, lightness and relaxation. Now imagine that the stem of this lotus goes downward, deep, deep into the earth. Its roots reach the very center of the planet. From her core, golden energy begins to rise. It flows upward through the stem, reaching the flower, filling it with radiant light. Now you breathe through this flower. Golden energy enters you enters you with every inhale and gently spreads through your body with every exhale. Inhale, the golden stream rises. Exhale, warmth flows through your body. Continue breathing in your own rhythm. This energy fills your womb. The warmth rises higher. It spreads softly through the reproductive organs. It flows into the kidneys. Along the way, it dissolves all dark spots, all blockages. Inhale, the golden energy enters. Exhale, the darkness dissolves. Inhale, warmth fills you. Exhale, the body relaxes. Allow yourself to simply breathe for a few minutes. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. The more you breathe, the brighter your inner light becomes. You rise from the energy of survival to the energy of creativity. You feel safe. Say to yourself within, I am safe. Nothing threatens me. Inhale, exhale. I'm free from fear. I move forward in my beginnings. Inhale, exhale. I have the support of Mother Earth. She's always with me. Inhale, exhale. I'm a beloved child of the universe. Inhale, exhale. Thank you, Mother Gaia. Feel how her energy remains with you. She supports you, warms you, strengthens you. Take 3 more deep breaths in and out. Carry this feeling of warmth and safety throughout your day and return to this practice whenever you need it.